Hello kids! I am teacher Sunny and today I am going to teach you about the long vowel O sound. Are you ready? Let us begin. This is the long vowel O. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 variants. Let's have the first one. G, O, go, go. N, O, no, no. Amazing! Now you got your first star. B, O, bone, bone. O, L, hole, hole. Brilliant! You have your second star. Let us collect more stars. B, O, bow, bow. R, O, row, row. Very good. You have 3 stars. T, O, toe, toe. O, foe, foe. Outstanding! You have your 4th star. 1 more to go. B, O, T, boat, boat. G, O, L, goal, goal. Now you have completed your 5 stars in this lesson. Great job! See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye!